Oh, more walkers. I'm not sticking around for that.
Traps got worse the closer I came.
Oh. Hello.
At least I got something out of that one.
Okay. Obviously, I'm gonna use this. Welcome back, guys, to The Walking Dead Onslaught. Last video, we did Chapter 4 of the campaign, and today we're doing Chapter 5. But I want to do at least
Alexandria's running better, but we have a ways to go.
Listen, Michonne, I'm talking to these lovely people over here, alright? So, as you guys can see, we got some more areas opened up for scavenging missions, and I've already done some of them. And I've actually added a few more weapons to the arsenal. Yeah, that's right, I played more off camera. I know, right? I'm a little piece of shit. But don't worry, it's not that much. I mean, we got Rick's revolver, you know, with the little barrel attachment. Now I can be like, Coral! 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 Gosh, how does Rick hold his revolver like that? Coral! 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 And we also got the battle axe too. And the fire axe, which this is pretty much the same as the regular axe. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, let's go, Rick. And let's do this. Alright, Michonne, I'll see you guys back at camp. Or at the evac zone.
Find supplies and outrun the herd.
Alright.
Maggie said the military had to leave their supplies behind. As long as no one got here first, we should find something.
The sign said welcome. I'd say we can help ourselves.
Police, open up! Pop! And plop! Alright, I think this is about 1 to 2 shots in the head. So that's pretty good. Alright.
Cut me off!
This herd is fast.
Yeah, it sure is. Alright, we just need to go. I don't think we have enough time.
Don't take too long. The herd's near the safe house.
Yeah, I know.
Looks like a safe house.
It sure does. I mean, there's a heavily fortified door. Pretty sure that means this is the safe house, huh?
It's on me! God! Clear.
Time to face the law, you son of a bitch. Yeah. Alright, we're in front of the herd. Got a little bit of time to go over here and loot. Give me that loot! Looks like we got a little barbecue going on back here. Alright. Should be close to the van.
From the quickly mounting cacophony of the undeceased, I guess you might need some evac.
Alright, let's go! Yup!
Cards on the table.
Alright, let's see. Ooh, we can build the windmill. Stockpile. Let's build the windmill. Ain't it a beaut? That looks nice. Alright, we just need more of nuts and bolts.
If someone here went missing, you'd be looking. Hell, you went after me.
The people here, I said I'd protect them.
You get how that sounds, right?
What did that stranger send you to do?
Same group that attacked White Oak, took Daisy. She wanted her back.
She wanted you to fight these guys, these gold 99.
Nah, had to search the whole compound. Find out
I
where
can't
they
get
went.
over this, dude.
By the next morning, I was almost there. The driver kept in touch with the radio.
Rise and shine. You sleep okay?
Yeah.
Well enough. Place was as safe as you said it was. I was in an old way station, abandoned for a long time.
You're looking for the water tower. Keep going. You can't miss it.
Oh, we got a jumper. We got 2. Jeez, dude. What the hell happened here?
Finally saw that damn tower. It was close.
Has the gold 99 logo on it. Oh, jeez.
Shit. Could have warned me about a damn wall in my way.
Road
It's still
closed.
up?
Go around.
Just climb over.
Hell no. It's all rusted to shit. I ain't dying for this.
Okay, well, look for a way around. I don't know. Try breaking something.
Yeah, something over here. Can we shoot it with that crossbow? Will that help? Oh, it will. Oh, jeez. All right. I mean, this place is like, damn, really overrun. Whoa. Oh, gosh, okay. That's a lot of zombies. Pile of ammo. Okay. Oh, give me those. Nice, alright. Alright, we all good.
Wonder why we never ran into these guys.
Probably smart enough to stay away from the saviors.
Find a way around, yeah. Trying to look for a way, but what if we do that? What will that do? Oh, we're supposed to go over here. Okay. Ooh, looks like I can get some target practice in. The bathroom. Whoa, jeez. What are you doing in the bathroom, man? That's just gross, honestly. Hit him with the blunt side of the knife. Hit him with the blunt side
Sure,
of the...
these guys won't be around.
There's no way they'd go back there. Just trust me.
Oh!
Didn't have any choice.
What the hell is
So I
this?
headed into the train yard.
Hello? Hello? I think you're dead. These guys are freaks! Who the hell just hangs walkers from the ceiling? What weirdos! Hello. How are you? Very nice to meet you. Go through the train yard. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a train yard. Not very pleasant, huh?
Gang's work.
Oh, heck no, dude. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on. One at a time, alright? You may be walkers, but I'll at least try to be a little civilized.
thing I could do was find a way through.
You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Shh, stay quiet.
Well, I mean, it's just a few zombies. Come on, Daryl. I mean, you're Daryl Dixon. It's not like you can't take... You can take anything, right? This is giving me the creeps. Supposed to go here? No. Oh. Hello? Anyone here?
There were too many bodies to count. Couldn't be just White Oak.
Yeah. Huh. This even could have been a siege by the walkers, you know? It could have been people and walkers. There's quite a few of you guys, damn. Yeah, I don't think this is just humans. We gotta go over here, I'm guessing. More dead bodies, huh?
What that gang did? Bunch of sick fuckers.
Yeah, I honestly can agree with you. Like I said before, who the hell just hangs bodies from the ceiling? Such weirdos. Oh, a dead end.
I was a train car away from getting out of there.
Hello? Oh, wait, sick. Is this my Amazon package? Nice. Oh, shit. Oh, hell no, not you. Not you. Get back. Get back. Get back. Oh, that was oddly
Heard
easy.
about shit like this before.
Hell, it wasn't...
Nah, too big to be her.
Jeez, dude. Oh, great. Of course. More dead bodies.
It couldn't have been easy. Not knowing what happened to her little girl.
I can imagine.
Hello? Why, hello there. Very nice to meet you. The 99 are watching. Doesn't really seem like it. It seems like they're all dead.
Traps got worse the closer I came.
Oh! Hello?
At least I got something out of that one.
Okay. Well, obviously, I'm gonna use this. Oh, yeah. This is the shit, man. But unfortunately, I suck with the shotgun. Alright, mother truckers. Time to dance. Okay, this is a bit too much, man. Nice. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, more ammo. You love to see more ammo.
How am I getting in?
Try the old gatehouse. Be careful.
Don't worry, I will. Damn. Looks like a walker pit. Thank you very much. Alright, we got a good amount of ammo for this thing. Whoa! Bro! Oh, we couldn't have moved. Okay.
Daryl?
Jeez.
Daryl? Hello?
Oh, gosh.
Daryl, can you hear me?
Woke up at the bottom of a pit. Walker stone. There was only one way out.
Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Oh, jeez. Please. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh.
Barely got the drain open in time.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jeez.
You got nothing to say?
No, I
Making sure I follow.
don't have anything to say. That
Almost
was...
died trying to find this girl. Ain't that worth anything?
Might be. Still need to hear the rest.
Whatever.
Oh boy. Oh, we got the shotgun added to the armory, dude. Hold on. Dude, what? That's so
Daryl coming around at all?
awesome.
Don't think so.
Are you?
I'm busy taking care of this place. You know that.
I'm not saying you aren't. Scavenging efforts are important.
Speaking of, time to move on.
Dude, this is awesome. I love this. Freaking boom, and one-handed. Alright guys, well this is gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. More Walking Dead content coming out soon.